Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the Straddle EA for MT4, and in this breakdown I'll walk through the MQL5 marketplace page, explain how the system is designed to work, and then go through the historical testing to see how it behaves under real market conditions. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for Straddle EA, developed by Hitesh Arora. This is an MT4 expert advisor currently available for rent at 49 US dollars per year with a version 2.1 release and a limited number of activations. From the description, the EA is specifically designed for trading major fundamental news events. The core idea is that instead of predicting direction, it reacts to volatility by placing both buy stop and sell stop pending orders around the price before the news release. Now, looking at the workflow described here, the EA operates in a timed sequence, okay? Before the news event, it stays in a waiting state. Then just before the news time, it activates and places pending orders. Now, once the setup is triggered and one side executes, it moves into an active trading phase. After the expiration time is reached, it stops placing new trades and shifts into an expired state. So as I scroll further, I can see that the EA gives full control over how the news execution is handled. You can choose whether it places both buy and sell stop orders or just one direction depending on the strategy preference. Now, there are also settings for lot size, stop loss, take profit, and the distance between entry points, which is defined through the buy and sell gap parameters. Another important part of the configuration is the trailing system. Now, the EA allows trailing to be enabled with options to control when it starts and how it steps forward. There is also a trail only in profit option, which means trailing only activates once the trade is already in positive territory, helping lock in gains during volatile movements. Now, moving into time management, the EA is structured around news timing. Okay. You define the news time, how many seconds before news it becomes active, and when it should expire. This makes it very focused on short bursts of high volatility rather than continuous trading. So there are also additional protective controls, such as the ability to cancel the opposite pending order once one side is triggered, and options to close pending or live orders once the expiration time is reached. This helps ensure the EA doesn't continue trading outside of the intended news window. Now, before going into the backtesting section, it is important to understand that this system is designed specifically for high impact news volatility. So the behavior we expect to see will be concentrated around sharp price movements rather than steady long-term trends. Okay, so we're just going to quickly go to the strategy tester right now, and as you can see, I'm testing the Straddle EA on XAU USD on the H1 time frame. I'm using the every tick modeling, and I'm running the test over the past month. All right, so let's just quickly go to the report, and we can see that the EA actually didn't give us any trade executed. Based on the results we are seeing here, no trade were executed. But what I'm going to do right now is, let me just turn on the visual mode. Okay, so let us see the EA in action, and I'm just going to take this back to 1st January 2026, and of course visual mode is turned on. So let us see the EA in action. All right, so from a chart perspective, I would, I want to be paying attention to how quickly one side gets triggered, how the opposite order is managed, and whether the trailing logic helps capture extended momentum after the initial breakout. So looking at the historical activity, it's important to note that the key thing that I want to observe is how the EA reacts during these short volatility windows. Since the system uses a straddle approach with pending buy stop and sell stop orders, the main focus is on whether price breaks strongly in one direction after activation. Okay, so now we are looking at the EA in action, and I'm still waiting for the first trade to be, or rather, the first set of orders to be executed. But based on what we can see here, in this dashboard, we can see it's showing, the trade buy and sell both. The lot size, TPSL, trailing is enabled, start, step, trail only profits, gap buy, gap sell, trade only once, whether it's true or false, time, news time, activate before news, expire time, and all of that. Right. Remember that this is a news focused expert advisor, right? So if there are no news related events, or rather economic events or news events, right, you might not really see orders being placed. Okay. Now or another important factor in this type of historical setting, testing performance is consistency across multiple news cycles. Longer testing periods generally give a more reliable view of how the EA behaves across different volatility conditions rather than focusing on isolated events. So that is the reason why I'm going to recommend testing this EA over a longer period of time. More than a year or even 2 years, if you're really interested in this expert advisor, okay, so that you can be able to capture more market conditions and get enough data for the back testing. All right. But as with any historical analysis, it's important to keep in mind that results can vary significantly depending on spread conditions, slippage during news spikes, execution speed from the broker, and overall risk settings chosen by the user. Overall, the Straddle EA for MT4 is presented as a structured news trading system that automates breakout capture during high impact events using pending orders. All right, time-based activation and strict trade management rules around entry and expiration. So personally, I'm just going to recommend running longer term testing across multiple news events yourself so that you can better understand how it behaves under different volatility conditions before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.